Welcome back to another chapter summary of the book Atomic Habits by James Clear. In this chapter, we explore the second chapter titled How Your Habits Shape Your Identity and vice versa. So sit back, relax, and let's dive into the key insights. Chapter 2: How Your Habits Shape Your Identity and vice versa. Chapter 2 explores the concept of atomic habits and how these small habitual actions shape an individual's identity. The author argues that our habits, no matter how small or seemingly insignificant, have a profound impact on who we are and how we perceive ourselves. The chapter begins by defining atomic habits as the smallest units of behavior that we engage in consistently. These can include actions such as brushing our teeth, making our bed, or checking our phone first thing in the morning. The author emphasizes that while these actions may appear inconsequential, they accumulate over time and contribute to our overall identity. Next, the chapter dwells into the psychological and neurological mechanisms behind habits. It explains that habits are formed through a loop consisting of a cue, a routine, and a reward. This loop becomes ingrained in our brains through repetition, eventually leading to automatic behavior. The author highlights the importance of understanding this loop to gain control over our habits and subsequently shape our identities. The chapter then explores the idea that our identities are not fixed but rather malleable. It argues that by consciously shaping our atomic habits, we can redefine ourselves and become the person we aspire to be. The author provides examples of individuals who have transformed their lives by implementing small changes in their habits, leading to significant personal growth. Moreover, the chapter emphasizes the power of self-awareness in identifying and altering our atomic habits. By paying attention to our actions and reflecting on their impact, we can gain insight into the habits that either support or hinder our desired identity. The author suggests various strategies for developing self-awareness, such as journaling, meditation, and seeking feedback from others. Lastly, the chapter concludes by emphasizing the importance of consistency and perseverance in habit formation. The author highlights that changing deeply ingrained habits takes time and effort, but it is ultimately achievable through dedication and a growth mindset. By consistently practicing new habits aligned with our desired identity, we can reshape our sense of self and achieve personal transformation. In summary, Chapter 2 explores the concept of atomic habits and their influence on shaping our identities. It highlights the power of small, consistent habits and provides insights into psychological and neurological mechanisms behind habit formation. The chapter emphasizes the malleability of identity and the role of self-awareness, consistency, and perseverance in reshaping our habits and ultimately transforming our lives. Do subscribe to our channel for more such updates. Hit the like icon since that keeps us motivated. Good day.